profitable 3-minute strategy on pocket option with just 3 indicators: moving average, vortex, and MACD indicator. Your moving average type should be WMA and the period 50. Then the vortex indicator period should be 13 and you customize if necessary. For the MACD indicator, you only add line thickness if you want it more visible, otherwise you leave at default. Like the video and subscribe our channel. Let's take some trades and explain. Here is a good entry for sell trades as the moving average is going downward. The entry happens only when the green line of the MACD and that of the vortex indicator cross below the red line downward. You enter the sell trades with 3-minute expiry time. Avoid entering trades when the indicators are crossing more frequently or the market is going sideways. Let's watch how the trades would turn out. The trades did close in profit. Great. Here is another sell entry and follows the same conditions as the previous trades. The moving average was starting to go upward, but since the candles have gone below the moving average indicates the market is going downward. All expired with profit. Great. Here we are taking an early entry for buy trades, and the entry conditions are as follows. The green line of both the MACD and the Vortex indicator should cross the red lines upward for the entry to be confirmed. We lost as the buy entry conditions did not confirm as we presumed, and the entry was not good. Results of the trades taken.